Hello guys, good morning, good evening and good afternoon. I don't know where you're watching this. This is another day, another tutorial on this video. So I'll guide you how I do this Jocey Model design. I'll guide you how I achieve this and how I do this to this extent. So if you are a first timer watching my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share. So if I'm seeing more video like this, so for the further ado, let's jump to the new project. So these are new file. Let's create a new file. So these are using 4x5. So we use 4x5 on this. You can name your project is Jocey Model tutorial design. So you can leave the settings, leave the resolution to 200. All the settings are seeing there. Let it be like this. So let's create our new file, new project. So if you are the first timer designing on Photoshop, this is how your interface will look like. Although I'm using Photoshop 25, some features may not be seen as my own, but I'll guide you how I do it. So just before how I do it, so let's go. So the next thing, these are our resources. These are our resources that I want to use for this design. These are our resources. So first of all, I normally bring the model that you are want to working on, the picture, the Jocey there. So click here like this, do this like this, so we can see what you are doing. So know that let me duplicate the picture that we want to use. You can press Ctrl J your keyboard. So you can check the way I'm doing it. That is for the reference for if I want to do some adjustments again. So that's why I duplicate it. It's very important. So you can see this thing. So I want to highlight the picture more so that if you want to remove the background, so Photoshop will see more entirely. You see the edges very well. So you won't be doing extra work. So go to your image. After see adjustment layers, you see shadow highlight. That's it. See shadow highlight. Follow my setting. Follow the how I do it. It's not a bit too much. Just to make it light like this, so Photoshop can see more edges that want to remove the background. So it's not every picture that we do this because of this. So the next thing you want to do is that you see the select object here that we want to remove background. You can come to your select. You see select object here too. So you can do that. So I'm using Photoshop 25. Let's select objects. So let your highlight should be on the picture that we want to remove background. So click it. Let Photoshop do the before. So you can see it's still loading. So after this, if you are already, if your Photoshop is doing like this, show this thing like this, you zoom your picture very well. You check for the edges that there is no more error on this, so you can't be doing the extra work. You can see it. You need some adjustment for the head. Well, you click, you come to by your left here, you can see the polygon tools. You can see the selection tools, so you want to use the polygon tools. If your icon is showing like this, you can off your cap lock like this. So let me start from here. That's it. Start from here. So Ctrl Z, no mistake. Do like this. You select your line should be on add to selection. You can see it. So I will put the resources file in the comment section so you can follow along. You can do this as well. So you can see it. Anyway, when you are working, down to your design should be professional. Everything should check everything very well. There is no more mistake. So let's check the design very well. You can see it. Everything is accurate. So I think that is fine for me. We do it like this. And zoom out like this. So let's press Ctrl J and check this one. You can see the things of our pictures. You can see it. You can see it. I think that is fine for me. So the next thing we want to do is that let's put some retouch on our picture. If you see the main design here, do some just so let's go back to this. You can see. Click on our picture. Picture, you see a camera picture. So let's Photoshop. You want to do some touch on the picture here. Stroke down like this. Increase your texture. It's not too big like this. Clarity. Increase texture and clarity. Come down like this. Your sharpness. You can see it. You can see the changes. So you can see it. Just more pictures already a bit hot. You know, graphic design always do their own pathway, so it's normal. I like it a little bit small. So it's already like this, so press OK. I think if it is okay for me, it's normal okay for me. So the next thing we want to do is that let's go and bring our background. I want to do for this project. This is our background. You can see this is our background. Scale it very well. Let it fit the layers. Let it fit. So you see it. Check it very well. Let it fit on the layers very well. Okay, I think this is fine for me. So let's bring our image up like this. You can see it. So we can do this like this. You can see it. This is our image. So I'll put this resources file so we can follow the step by step I do. So you can learn one or two things. So we'll do that. So the next thing we want to do is, I think I put some background here. Let me check very well. And this is the background, so I can put this resources too and there too, so you can follow up. So like this, you can see this. So you can lock your background, so you'll not be, so you can lock it like this. So let's press Ctrl T to make it this one like this. I think this is how I do this. You can see it. So before I do this, one thing I do here is let me delete it. This one like this. You can see this is how the picture looked before. So just create a new layer. So see here, layer marks. Create it like this. Go back to your brush. Let your brush should be soft light brown. So keep it like this. And let your foreground color should be black. So in the meaning that we're doing foreground picture, you clean the entire, but if you want to direct picture like this back to this normal like this, you change your foreground to the white. So that is the reason I'm doing it. I want to change it to black, so we want to clean this face. That's it. Click the box, you can see it. I want to click this part like this and clean it very well. I'll show you the edges that I want to use and this particular something. So you can use it like this, use it and see, and use it like this. So that's it. And then I think that is fine for us like this. So the next thing, let me check. That's it. Let me check. Okay, the next thing we want to do is let's write our text. Let's write our text first. So I bring the layer of ellipse. You can see this place, ellipse tools. Click on the ellipse tools. Check your fill very well. There should be check. Should not be so just only the outline from here. You can put it like 2. 2 is fine. You hold your shift. You leave the shift like this. So the next thing is to click here like you can do. Let it should fit the. At least should fit this particular edit like this. You can see it. This like this. What I want to achieve here is, like you can see this design, I want to achieve this text that we use here. So that is the sure. Let's bring our text. Let me look the font that I use here. So should not be. I think I will drop the font to the font, or you can use any font you like. I use any font. So that is the font we use here. So the important is there is many ways that you can copy your text, but I think this is better for me to achieve what I want to achieve. Because I don't want this video to be long. You can see it. You can see the. Let me zoom it forward. So you can see it. You can see the icon is already changing. It's not changing, but if I put it the edge of the ellipse to the circle, that's it's changing. You click on it. You can see it. You can see it. You can increase it. I think that's something. So we want to write Jocey Model. So you can go on to see what I'm doing here. So what I want to do here is that you can see it. Sorry. I think let's increase it first. Let me increase it. Let's use 48. I think let's do it like this. That's it. Let me check the one we're doing here. Sorry about this one. I just want to check it very well. Okay, I think the circle must be put the edge is not. So I've gained the code like this. So if we do the Ctrl T, so we will do this. So it should be fitting to the edges of the picture, so it can give us what we want. You can see it. So this is fine for me. So that is it. You can delete this one, so we'll do that and test it. And that was not useful here. Yes. Sorry about that. We still get it. So it's just play. So model Jocey, sorry. Jocey. Model. That is very well. Let's do it very well. So see what we want to achieve. I'm using space on my keyboard. So sorry about that. We're pressing PK on your. So we read that stage. PK like this. And put this one like this. What is this now? So come. You know how he's doing like this. I don't know what is wrong, but you will get it. That is my excuse. You will try to get it. I don't know what is wrong. I don't know. But I think, don't worry, you will get it. So we click on it. Let's show it again. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. It could be a challenge, but it's not a challenge for us. We will solve it in this way. But I'll show you how I do this part. I'll show you. I don't know what is wrong here was. Don't worry, you get it soon. It can be like this sometimes, but don't worry, you come across it. Sorry. So okay, I get the idea now. So after I will close this place like this, so I got the idea now. Control C. Sorry about that. Oh, sorry about that. I think. So after that, you reduce it like this, so it should be fitting. So I think can be quite challenging like that. So I think this is how I do it. You can see it. You can just check this place, you can see it. This is how I will do it. So this is how I will do it. So you can make it come on like this. Central D, okay, like this. So when I do like that, so the next thing we want to do is that let me check the note I done here. So the next thing we want to do is can see these lights. Let's put our lights here. Let's bring our lights. So we can see it's already on here. So let's bring it here. Sorry about that. So let's bring our lights here. That's it. So that text will come back about it. You can like this, put it on the screen. So you can set it like this. So put it on the screen and set it like this. So set it like so the light will be reflecting on the body. So the next thing you want to do is duplicate the lights. You can put it here like this. Put it here like this. If you check very well, let's first of all check it. So you can clean this place. You put your layer mask over to your brush. So let's delete this one first. Continue. Click on your layer mask. This is your brush. So let your background to be black. Can be raising this part like this. So you can see it. Next thing is duplicate it like this. Compress Ctrl J or Ctrl C. Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. And your shortcut is Ctrl J, or you can use the Alt. You can see the Alt and put it here like this. Here is fine. So we come out with the text very well. So you know what should be our video should be long. So the next thing you want to do is to bring our camera. If you check here like this, you see the camera. Let me zoom it. Check here like you see the camera. You can see it. The camera it will be like it's snapping. So let's do it like this. So let's go back to the main design. Let's bring the first camera we first use. This is the first camera we first use. So first camera we first use, and so you remove the background and the first camera we first use. Zoom it like this so you see what's happening. Press select object. Let this select very well. That's it. You can see it. Zoom it. Check it. It's not doing it accurately, but what we need to do is that you will select it. Go back to your, you can see it. Go back to your quick selection. You can see it. You click here and you see the subroute selection. So make it like this. I think that is fine. So on this part, what I want to use is I'll use my polygon tools to make it. I think there's a better way we can do it, but I think I use the one that is fine for. I think this is what is fine for me. There's a better way. So just make the picture so do it. We're doing it gently. That's it. Doing it gently. So you can see it's making it line very well. Go back and check the picture very well. You can see it. Ctrl Z. Go back to this place. So make it more accurate. The next thing you want to do is I think it's not doing everything, but you have some ways. Press Ctrl J. That's it. Ctrl J. So go back to your polygon tools again and make this one perfect. Delete backspace as well. Ctrl D to deselect. Check the new picture again. Sorry about the delay that we passed through that time, but these are still get it. Delete backspace again. Ctrl D to deselect. We check everything very well. Everything should be accurate. Delete this part again. Ctrl D to deselect again. You can see this place. So I just want to tell you that, like nobody for you, that the design is very, very simple. Sometimes it's not simple. You can see what is the way designer pass through before we get this stuff. So it's not easy. So don't let everybody use you. So then I said that. So one thing I just want to tell you in the journey is that you want to collect job from clients or clients to give you. One thing I'll just tell you as a graphic designer, first collect your half payment. Unless you know the person, very well, or the person is it's not everybody you can just first design and before, because sometimes we should they can use another word. So just be So you can see it like this. So we want to set this place very well. So the next thing, let's bring the second. Let's bring the second camera. The second camera. Can see this one again. Second camera. I think we'll find something for doing for that one over our time. Camera. So click here like this. Select your subject. Let Photoshop to do it. So don't let everybody first collect. At least you can collect half payment. Yeah, half your job, so that the client will not just after you design things that you don't like it, so you don't want to pay for the time, everything you pass through, you go through, or you're thinking every time you use data too. So don't let anybody use you. Why? This is 2026. So if clients say that they will just use some text, don't let anybody if they can do it. Why they come to us? Say that well, whether that is doing it. So don't let everybody fool you. This 2026. So we guide. So you can see it. Photoshop have already removed some parts, but we do some arrangement on it. You can see this place now. So press Ctrl J. Ctrl J. So you use your polygon tool again. Just want to clean this part very well. You can see it. After clicking on the part, you drop it. You go to another place. You can see it. Press backspace. But if your own is not deleting this place, rather is on the smart objects, you don't put it to rasterize. So you can see it. Control D to select. I think we have done the pass that we want to achieve there. Is a Control C. You want to flip this place. So flip horizontal. You can see it. Zoom it like this. You can see it. And you put here like this. So the next thing we want to do is that we want to put it behind this background right here. So we click on the tool like this, put it behind the, can see it. So our design is almost getting there. So what we want to do is that you can see this part. So before we done this part, the thing I just want to do is that you can see this place, the redesign, we put some camera design after that. So before I get there, you first of all, you can see it. First of all, put everything accordingly. So what we want to do is that let's create that space. We go back to the design like this. I see it. Everything should be like this. So create a new layer. To create a new layer. You can see here, create a new layer. So bring your polygon tools like this. These all these parts we want to put our snap camera and snap design. So we want to look like this. You can see it. So after that, you right click here. You see the fill. Click it on fill. Make it on the color. You can see it. This is black like this. Click on it. Press OK. Let me slow. We create a new background. So press Ctrl D to deselect. So you try another trick that we use there, and switch to this one to create a new layer again. Zoom it like this. So see what you want to achieve here. Zoom. Complete. So do the same thing. Fill. On the fill. Your color should be color. So you can see it. Don't know why. Fill again. That should be on the color. You can see it. Black. Okay. Why? Why you not doing it? Okay, I've got the element. You can see it. You have to put it on the front. So Ctrl D to deselect. So I think I've done that part. The next thing I want to do is that next thing I want to do, you can see this part, you can see it. Let me make it like this. You can see this part. It will be great. You can see this part like this. I think we have a new, you can see it, new layer here. Let me copy the color code. I think you don't need to copy it. So go back to the design again. Go back to the design. So create a new layer. Check your, you can pick the color here. You can see the color here. Click it very well like this. What thing you want to do is go back to your gradient field and gradient tools, so you can see it. That should be foreground to transparent. You can click on it. It's already in foreground transparent, so we want to fill this part like this. One thing we'll do is like this gently. Click here, click it like this. The next thing we want to do, we want to shift this more up like this. Should not be really like this. I think let's go back. So let's go back again on this part very well. So click here like this, double click it. Just want to fill this part. Should not be much. You can see it's okay like this. It's okay like this. So the next thing I want to bring is you can bring this text. You can write any text you want that you like, but copy it and bring this text. Because of our videos, you know, it should be long like this. You can see it. Put it here like this. You can write any name. So the next thing you want to do is let me bring this text like this. You can see it. Drop it there. So the next thing we have to do is bring we'll check here very well. Bring can see the light here. This light can see it here. So let's bring, we're already using, let's bring the light here. So we drop it here like this. So go back to put it around screen. Reduce it like this, should be on. So you reduce the opacity, reduce the opacity, like this. So the one thing you want to do is let's go back to the camera. We'll click on it, and it should be like this. You can see it like this. Okay. So click on your clip mask like this. Put your brush. You want to clean this part left. Your foreground color should be black. Just clean this part like this. It's fine. So we do the same to the picture too. So you can see it. Everything is fine. So the next thing we want to do is to bring our effects. You can see this effect is shining on it. So this is just click here like this. Just click here. So Control V. You can see it. Hold your shift. Okay. Zoom it very well. So these are the looks. You can see it. So you can see these parts. Like the camera is snapping the wall with the background and everything. So how I achieve that is that's why we progress. We first create this. That's why we first create this black. So it's this place that we will use. You put our design there. So it will look like realistic that the cameraman is snapping the background. So the next thing we want to do is let's check this one first. Let's check it very first. You can see it. So let's press your control Control and Alt, Shift and E, put everything together. So after that, minus, so Control C, config like this. So you want to paste it, you can copy it, Control C and delete it. So just put it on there because it's not anything to worry about. So we press Control V, Control T again, let it be in the center. So we right click again, create your clean marks. That's it. Let's want to see what we are doing. That's it. That's it. It will look like snapping the girl. That's it. So we will do the same to the second camera too. We copy it. Still the second camera too. View again, Control T. So right click again, click marks. Set it very well. Okay, set it very well. Make it look like you can see it again. So that's how I achieve that. So if you watch to this stage like this, congratulations. So try to subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. So the next thing you want to do, I think my design is almost set like this. That's it. Design. So that is how I achieve this model, Jocey Model flyer. So if any question you want to ask me, you can ask me in the comment section, so I'll answer you. If there are some mistakes that I made that you want to you can correct, is allowed. So thanks for today. So bye bye for now.